Today I'm wondering about one of the biggest questions of all. Is reality real? We seem to take for granted our physical senses, but what if there is something more than the world around us? We are fastly progressing in modern technology, and soon we should be able to create a simulation so realistic that there would be no great difference with our reality. Metaverse and other virtual reality platforms are proceeding at high speed, and the possibilities are endless. Quantum physics seems to redefine the notion of reality. It suggests that the physical world is just an illusion based on the interactions between particles. Albert Einstein provided a new way of thinking about reality. The famous physicist showed us that our perception of time is an illusion, that time is relative and does not exist in the absolute sense. He challenged us to think about how we understand reality, and how it might actually be a figment of our imagination. Quantum physics seems to redefine the notion of reality. It suggests that the physical world is just an illusion based on the interactions between particles. In essence, atoms, molecules, and particles that make up the environment around us all exist in multiple states at the same time, and only when observed do they convert to one state. This seems to prove that local reality does not exist. For example, one of the most famous effects of quantum physics is the Einstein-Podolsky-Rosen experiment. This experiment demonstrates that distant, seemingly unrelated particles can be entangled with each other, such that a change in the state of one particle will cause a related change in the other. This is counter to any explanation that relies on local reality, as the particles do not each have a perfectly isolated, local environment. They both exist in the same overall universe and yet can still remain entangled. In conclusion, quantum physics has shattered the notion of local reality and replaced it with a much more expansive and complex understanding of the universe. While the concept is still being developed, it clearly offers an alternative view to the idea. The reality and simulation theory raises many questions about the nature of our existence and the role of technology in shaping our perceptions of reality. While there is no scientific evidence to support the idea that we live in a computer simulation, it remains an intriguing concept that has captured the imagination of people for decades. Whether we exist in a virtual world or a tangible one thing is certain: our experiences and interactions shape the reality we know. So let's embrace each moment and make the most of this existence, whatever form it may take.